Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see different morphology techniques we are going to perform on an image. Generally, image morphology is nothing but modifying an image. You can see that Snapchat you can use different kinds of filters in morphing your face like that. Those are done using some of the morphology techniques like dilation, erosion, open, close, and so on. And now we are going to see one by one. The first two lines of our code is common always CLC, clear all. And now we are going to read image. I am read of land.jpg semicolon. And next we are also going to do grayscale also here. RGB to gray of fade. And now let us start doing the subplotting here itself. Figure subplot of Uh, let me take 2 into 3 size and at position 1. Title is original image. Let me give shortcut names here from here onwards. Original image, and I am going to display as original image. Let me copy all this. Control C. And now I am going to display grayscale images. So let me name it as GI, and I am going to display is G. Yeah, now from here we are going to perform different kinds of morphology filters one by one. For that, in order to create in morphology, we also use some segmented part that is represented using SC in case of theories. So first, I am going to create SC. There is a function I am create SC, and in this you need to pass the parameter. I mean, you need to select some of the sizes, what shape you are willing. Let me consider rectangle one of size 10 comma 10. This is the SC part. Now I am going to apply the morphology technique. Let me do dilation. I am dilate is the function used for performing dilation. And for this dilation, I am going to use the color image directly. We are not going to use anywhere grayscale images. And with this image, I am going to apply this filter SC. Now there will be an output coming for this one. That one we are going to plot it at position 3. Let me say it as dilation image, dilation C. Yeah. Now you can use the same SC for different morphology techniques also. Let me also perform erosion, that is using IM erode function, and similarly take that original image, take the SC, and now again the same subplot 234, and let me say it as erosion, and you are displaying is D. Yeah, now you can also change the SC to not only rectangular, not only this fixed size. You can use various sizes also. It is not an issue. Now again I am creating one SC with. Now I am going to use the shape ellipse. Why I have used different shape? Once I zoom the image, you can see that one of size 11 comma 11. I am going to consider. And now I performed dilation and erosion, and now we are going to see the open and close. Open is nothing but first we will do erosion, then dilation. Close is nothing but first dilation, then erosion. So now we are going to see open. For open, let me use variable E equal to IM open of pass the color parameter, I mean color image variable and SC. Now again we are going to display this one. Position 5 now, and the name let us give as open. We are displaying E. Now I am going to perform close morphology technique using I am close technique and pass the RGB image along with the SC. Yeah. Now again I am going to plot that one at position 6. 6 is the last position. We can't do further because size is 2 into 3. We have obtained up to the position 2 into 3, and this is the morphology technique close. And lastly here comes is F. Now I am going to save it. Let me say morpho save. Once save, we need to execute it. Clear the console. Yeah, you can see you have got output. Original image, gray image, dilation, erosion, open, close. You can notice a difference. What's the purpose of using SC? In the first case, if you take for dilation and erosion, I have used the rectangle. Once you zoom the images of erosion and dilation, you can see that these boxes are rectangle in shape. Here also you can notice rectangular in shape. All the morphology process where we have taken places, you can see rectangular shape. And for open and close, here we have used ellipse. So you can notice in open and ellipse there are something like circular structures and oval shapes, nothing but ellipse. For dilation, erosion, rectangle I have used, and for open and close I have used ellipse. Similarly, you can use other shapes also, but I used only rectangular and ellipse in this lecture. This is how we perform image morphology in real life. It is also used in movies. You can see that actors are doing acting in India, but it appears to be in some foreign countries and all. That is how the morphology technique is used. Thank you. And in the next lecture, we are going to see image rotation.